This soup is creamy and delicious. It's a pea, coconut and coriander soup that is sublime, and it has the most simplest ingredients on the planet. I think I've just mentioned them. Watch how you make this. Easy, 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 easy. This is one for the kids if they're leaving and moving out, or this is one for the elder kids that are going to buy their own home and want a dish. This is something to teach them. This is amazing. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Okay, right into here. And then the coconut milk into there. I am going to need a lid because this will bring it to the boil longer. So coconut milk, right? Not coconut cream. And as soon as it comes to the boil, we're going to cook it for about 5 minutes. And then we're going to go to the next step. Straight into here. Now this is a high-speed blender and it can manage heat really well. It does. So, but you want to be mindful of not locking this down. Anything that's hot in a blender, you want to be mindful that you have this air coming through. Because once I did this, I was talking to another chef. I was working in a health retreat and I was chatting and it blew up because I'd locked all that heat in. So. Okay, straight into your bowl. And just a little sprinkle of some lovely green garden chili in there. And I think I would love nothing more than a little bit of contrast. A little bit of black sesame just because we can. Oh man, it is just, I can't explain it. It's beautiful. This is a gorgeous little lentil soup that freezes really, really well. Vegan, gluten-free, full of nourishment. One of the things that I will say is soaking your lentils overnight is super important. So cool because it just takes out all the yuckies, and I didn't want to run to the shop, and these tomatoes are basically one ingredient, which is awesome, tomatoes. Now this celery looks odd to you. Normally celery back in Australia and America and the UK is quite big, right? But here in Indonesia it's very tiny. I want a good splash of olive oil. Gonna add my onions. Salt and pepper immediately. Oh my God, it's one of those days. Navigating that wooden spoon. Now you're going to add your water. Now I'm going to add the tomatoes. Okay, lid on simmer, let it cook for a good 30 minutes. Oh, yum. It's just so natural, you know? And we are done. Yay! That's all you do. And now we serve it and eat it. This is a really great recipe. Just requires a few things. And I've always got kaffir lime leaves around me, which are delicious, by the way. When I peel pumpkin, right, I just run the knife down like this and making sure my fingers are flat. I don't curl anything over, yeah? It's gonna go into this pot, even the kaffir lime leaves as well. I'm very happy today. I feel like the universe is working for me, not against me. Salt and pepper. It's like the building blocks of flavor, and I love how my salt and pepper is just here. Sometimes when I go to my friends' houses, right, just a little moment in time. I was just thinking that as I was standing here, and I was like, wow, like this is it, you know. I couldn't be bothered in the first place, and now I can, and I'm glad I did. Yum. So midweek special, this one. Have a great rest of the week.